What's up you guys, it is Naughty and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. So this came out in I think the Valentine's Day collection and I never bought it because I just kept forgetting and it was always out of stock. And eventually it was out of stock to where it wasn't going to be restocked. And a week before the Thirsty palette was about to come out, he restocked the Blood Sugar palette. And so I went ahead and bought it, and I did buy the Thirsty palette as well. So look out for that video. This palette is so stunning. I tried to film this video yesterday and it didn't work out. Today's a new day, so hopefully this video does work out. I'm going to be attempting a cut crease, but I want the top part of the cut crease to just be kind of like an ombre of colors, if you get me. So if you want to see how I create this cut crease using the Blood Sugar palette, then just keep on watching. So first things first, I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm going to be using MAC's Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre.
Silky beat.
Oh, I look like a little anime character. Do you really want to blend it out? This is the completed look. As you can see, it's very vibrant, it's very pink. I absolutely love the palette. The shades are very pigmented and they all blended really nicely. I feel like this palette is just gonna be really good if you're someone who just likes to wear bold outgoing makeup, because I don't personally think I would wear this cut crease out in public. I only do these looks for my makeup tutorials. If you want a tutorial or a review on the Thirsty palette, just give this video a big old thumbs up because thumbs are cool. And don't forget to subscribe to see more of this face. I don't know why you want to, but if you do, the subscribe button will be around here somewhere. You're smart. You know how to use the internet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all next week. Oh, my eyes crease. That's what I get for having hooded eyelids.